Good morning students. Today we are going to see the fifth lesson is coastal plains and the island. The coastal plain and the island. What is coastal plain student? What is coast? The land near the sea or ocean. The land near the sea or oceans. அதான் நம்ம கடற்கரை சமுத்திரக்கரை அந்த மாதிரி கரைன்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல அந்த இடம் பக்கத்தில் கடற்கரை பக்கத்தில் இருக்கிறது தான் plain coastal plains. The land near the oceans or sea. We are having a very beautiful coastline. India we are having very beautiful coastline. The length is near about 7,000 kilometers. Our Indian coastline is a beautiful coastline. The length is about 7,000 kilometers. On the west we are having western coastal plains. Under the east we are having eastern coastal plains. There are two coastal plains, western coastal plain and eastern coastal plain. First we come to the western coastal plain. Western coastal plains lies between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats. Western coastal plain lie between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats. Starts from Maharashtra, Goa, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and ends in as usual Kanyakumari. Ends in Kanyakumari. Why we are having ports student? Why we are having lighthouse, ports etc. Easily find out the seashore. Easily find out the surface of the sea. With the help of the lighthouse we are easily find out the surface of the sea. Then the Malabar coast, it is divided into three plains, three surface. First one is Gujarat coast, Malabar coast and Konkan coast. Gujarat coast and Malabar coast starts from Gujarat and passes through Goa, Karnataka, Kerala etc. likewise and ends in as usual Kanyakumari. Ends in Kanyakumari. Malabar coast which is very rich in oil wells. Malabar coast is rich in oil wells. There are too many oil wells. Then come to the Konkan coast. Konkan coast receives very high lagoons. What is meant by lagoons? Do you know about lagoon? Lagoon is a shallow water. Backwater னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா கடல்ல இருந்து கடல் மூலமா backwater shallow water. It is covered with rocks and sand. Covered with rocks and sand. Because it is a very beautiful tourist attraction place, especially in Kochi. In this we are having in the backwater only, in the shallow water only they rides boat house. Do you know about boat house? In the shallow water only the tourist attraction place uses boat house. In this region it receives very high rainfall. In the region it receives a very high rainfall. The climate is humid and little bit hot. The climate is humid and little bit hot. The cultivation mostly here is coconut, cashew nut, rubber and tobacco. These are all the main cultivation. People using for their own occupation to catch fishes. They catch fishes and then come to these are all the Konkan coast, about the Konkan coast. Then come to the eastern coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains lies between the Bay of Bengal, West Bengal and lies between the eastern coastal plains, lies between the West Bay of Bengal. Then we come to the second one, eastern coastal plains. Eastern coastal plains lies between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats. It lies between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats. The surface has been divided into two. One is Northern Sircats and Coromandel coast. One is Northern Sircat and Coromandel coast. Here the main occupation is not a main occupation, a little bit secondary occupation is fishing. Because of the water they cultivate rice, sugarcane, jute. In this region there is not much of port. There is only a few ports. Here in this region there is only a few ports. And here we are having a very big shipbuilding yard. You know that about the Visakhapatnam. In the Visakhapatnam we are having a very large shipbuilding yard. In this region the seashores, the tides are very strong and rough. The tides and the waves are very strong and rough. The climate is little bit humid and dry and summer. It receives rainfall during the rainy season, not like the western coastal plains. It receives little bit little bit like an eastern coastal plains, not much as western coastal plains. Okay, we come to the importance. Importance means with the help of the coastlines, we are building port. With the help of the port, we are importing and exporting. That is inland and foreign trades are going on with the help of coastlines, with the help of ports. The main exports are here is fishing. They are exports different kinds of different varieties of fish to the foreign countries, because here the main occupation is what? Fishing. Because of the fertile land, they are here, the region grows rubber because of the coastal plains. In this main region, in this particular region, rubber is grown there. Rubber is the western coastal plain. The second one is eastern coastal plain. Then we come to the island. Island is nothing but a piece of land covered with water on all sides. A piece of land covered with water on all sides. There are two groups of islands. There are two groups of islands. One is Andaman and Nicobar Island. The other one is Lakshadweep Island. We come to the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Andaman and Nicobar group of island covers more than 500 small islands. It covers more than 500 small islands. Then in this way, in the Andaman and Nicobar Island, it covers more than 500 small islands. It covers more than 500 islands. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island is Port Blair. The capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island is Port Blair. It is an union territory. Andaman and Nicobar group of island is a union territory. In the Andaman and Nicobar Island, it mostly covers with thick forest. In some people are living nowadays. We call the people as tribals. They do their fishing operations. In the climate in the Andaman and Nicobar Island is little bit warm but pleasant. It is little bit warm and pleasant. It sometimes cool breeze flow there. The trees are coconut, rubber, rice, sugarcane, etc. Then we come to the Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep Island is not with that like us Andaman and Nicobar Island. It is covered with only small 30 islands. It covers only 30 islands. The capital of the Lakshadweep Island is Kavaratti. I am telling the spelling for the capital of Lakshadweep Island. Kavaratti. Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep Islands, covered with 30 small islands. The climate is little bit pleasant here. They do their fishing occupation. It is a very good tourist attraction place. It is a very good tourist attraction place in Lakshadweep Island. It is also an union territory. Lakshadweep Island also a union territory. Then we come to the importance. Importance of the island is they do the fishing occupation and it is a very good tourist attraction place. Just recall about the island. There are two groups of island, Andaman and Nicobar Island. The capital of which means Port Blair. Then we come to the Lakshadweep Island. The capital of the Lakshadweep Island is Kavaratti. Kavaratti. Then they are doing the main occupation is fishing and tourist attraction place.